Alright, here's our differential. I already started cleaning part of it for our all-wheel drive CRX, but you can see how dirty it is. It's pretty gross, actually. This is what I mean when most of the all-wheel drive cars, or CRVs and stuff, come from the Midwest or back east. They get that nice corrosion on it. It's a little bit better. You can see there, we already started cleaning it. So this is mostly for setting up reasons that it's getting clean, not for it was just pretty nasty. So it won't be the finished product yet, but we're getting there. Just wanted to show a little before so we can show you the after. Alright, so here's our differential after the cleaning. It's preliminary clean, so it's not going to be perfect, but if you remember, it's way better than it was